Hello friends, on today's video, I'll be walking through the steps on how to connect your Apple AirTag to your iPhone. So if you got your hands on one of these shiny devices and you want to connect it to your phone, this is the video for you. Now before we get started, we want to make sure that you are running the latest version of iOS, which means that you've gotten all of your updates. And to find that out, you just want to go to Settings, then you want to go to General, and then you want to go to Software Updates. And right now it says that I am up to date with the latest iOS version, so I don't need any updates. If you do need an update, it's gonna let you know right here. This is very important because you don't wanna have any hiccups while you're connecting your AirTag. Now we also wanna make sure that we do have our Bluetooth enabled. And for that, you wanna put your finger here and scroll down. And here you can see that Bluetooth is enabled. If it's like that, that means it is disabled. So you want to make sure that it is enabled. We also want to ensure that our location services are enabled as well. And you can find this again under the settings. Then you want to scroll down to privacy and security right here. And our location services are on. If this is off, you want to turn that on. Okay, now that we have gotten all that out of the way, your iPhone should be ready to pair up with the AirTag. Now to the AirTag itself. If you notice, it has one plastic cover thing that goes all around and it has a little tab here. So you want to grab that tab and you want to pull it. It's going to reveal that shiny part of the AirTag. And then if you keep just pulling it, it's going to go and reveal the rear part of the AirTag. And then if you notice, it's a little tab that is inside of the AirTag. You want to pull that out. And you're gonna hear that sound. And now you just wanna bring it close to your iPhone. My iPhone already recognized it and it shows here, and there you wanna click connect. You can set it to whatever device you're gonna be tracking with this AirTag. It has backpack, bike, camera, handbag, headphones, jacket, keys, luggage, umbrella, wallet, custom name. So I'm just gonna do custom name and then you can write whatever name you want. Yeah, that makes it official. Here you can add any emoji to the name if you want to. So I'm gonna choose police. And continue. And then it says AirTag is linked in to your Apple ID, and then you just click agree, and then it's going to be connecting it. And now that it is connected, it's going to show you your location. Done. So now you can track this Apple AirTag using your phone. And there you have it. You have successfully connected your Apple AirTag to your iPhone. I am also going to be making a video on how to remove the speaker out of the AirTag because I'm going to be using this AirTag to track my car. Now these AirTags do have a speaker inside of them, and anybody with an iPhone can make that speaker go off. So in order for the thieves not to do that, I'm going to be removing the speaker that comes inside this AirTag. If you're interested in doing that to your AirTag as well, please subscribe and stay tuned for that video. And if you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video. And also, do not forget to clean 8-bit.